The best IT support should feel effortless. David's big presentation is about to begin, and his laptop won't sync with the video system. He scans a QR code from his phone, and an augmented reality walkthrough gets him connected in minutes. Support flows in naturally. Jasmine's shift started 6 hours ago. Her scanner isn't working, so she walks to a nearby smart locker, scans her badge, and grabs a new one. Back to work. No ticket needed. Anna's tablet keeps crashing. She's 100 miles from the nearest office. Support connects instantly, and diagnostics run in the background. The fix? Already deployed by the time the call ends. Ty's register freezes up mid-checkout. AI flags it before he even reports it. A patch is pushed to every device in the store. No downtime, no panic. Customers keep moving. From the field to the boardroom, from frontline workers to remote execs, removing technology bottlenecks is essential. Behind every real-time fix, smooth swap, or invisible save, there's a network of smart tools, skilled people, and powerful technology. That's end-to-end Unisys digital workplace solutions. Let's talk about what's possible with Unisys.